Hello, today we are going to be working on a Mercedes 2024 Mercedes CLA 250. As you can see, service is overdue, and I'll show you how to reset this. On this vehicle, it's a few extra steps more than the usual. You're going to need to turn off the car, and then as soon as you turn it off, open and close the door, and then after that you're going to be using these buttons. This one, the home button, you're gonna need to hold for 8 seconds. This one you hold for 2 seconds right after this one. So this is my first attempt. Let's see how it goes. So we start by turning off the car, turn off the vehicle, open and then close the door, so to make sure that it's turned off all the way. And then here just hold. Well, first you have to hit the start button one time, then right after you hold your home button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. It will bring you to this menu where we need to go to ASSYST Plus. You scroll down by basically caressing the button. ASSYST Plus, then OK. Ignition stage 1, so you're gonna push your ignition button one more time without starting the car. OK. We go to full service. Scroll down again, confirm service. It will ask you what's the oil grade, where you can find this information. That's going to be behind the bottle that you use for your oil change. In this case, we're going to use the 229.30. Service carried out. Scroll down. Say yes. Confirm. Perfect. Now you've got your reset complete. I hope this video helped you. It's a bit longer than my usual videos because there's some extra steps on this car. If you have questions, leave it on the comments. If you have suggestions, do that as well. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.